Imagine this. It's December 31st, 2025. You've accomplished everything you set out to do. Your finances are flourishing. You're in the best physical and mental shape of your life, and your relationships have grown deeper and stronger. Sounds amazing, doesn't it? Now here's the best part. This isn't just wishful thinking. It's completely achievable. And I'm here to show you how, with one simple but powerful habit that can transform everything. Let me ask you something. How often have you made New Year's resolutions, only to abandon them a month or two later? It's not because you lack determination or discipline. It's because trying to change everything at once is overwhelming. But what if there was just one habit that could help you turn things around? This habit doesn't require fancy tools, expensive gadgets, or hours of your time. It's called daily reflection, and it's the secret behind many of the most successful people in the world. Here's how it works. Set aside 5 minutes at the end of your day. Grab a notebook, sit quietly, and answer these 3 simple questions. 1. What went well today? 2. What could I have done better? 3. What's my plan for tomorrow? This straightforward practice will help you step out of autopilot mode and start making intentional, thoughtful choices. I'll share a personal story. A few years ago, I felt stuck. I was busy all the time, but it felt like I wasn't making real progress. Then I discovered this habit. At first, I was skeptical. What difference could 5 minutes make? But within a month, everything started to shift. I began spotting unproductive patterns in my behavior, cutting out unnecessary distractions, and focusing on what mattered most. That clarity turned into meaningful action. By the end of the year, I had achieved my fitness goals, improved my finances, and gained confidence in myself, all because I made reflection a daily priority. Here's the truth. Most people don't fail because they lack talent or resources. They fail because they're not aware of where they're going wrong. Reflection gives you the opportunity to check in with yourself, make adjustments, and stay on track. So here's your challenge. Tonight, set aside just 5 minutes. Reflect on one thing you're proud of, one area where you can improve, one actionable step for tomorrow. Try this for the next 7 days and you'll notice the difference. If you're ready to make 2025 the year you finally break through, don't stop here.